So to continue, as I've already mentioned, AC 1101 would serve as a foundation and it would be applied in your subsequent financial accounting and reporting subjects. Specifically, you will have Intermediate Accounting 1, which will be taken up first year, second semester. You will have Intermediate Accounting 2, second year, first semester. And you will have Intermediate Accounting 3, which would be second year, second semester. And with those subjects, you are presumed to be equipped to take the Program Advancement Readiness Test on Financial Accounting and Reporting. Basically, the topics in IA1, IA2, and IA3 would be the standards that will be discussed in AC1101. So it's like we are crunching three subjects into one. But that should not discourage us because at this point, because the expectation from us would be that we would just be familiar with the basic concepts in financial accounting. And these basic concepts would be expounded and given practical application in your next three intermediate accounting subjects. So I hope by this point you can already appreciate the importance of this subject. Now to continue with my expectations from you as students, my expectations from you are heavily influenced by how we are going to conduct our classes. So, in preparation for this semester, the department has already plotted the topics that we will be discussing throughout the semester. And as you can observe here, our weekly targets are actually very loaded. You can observe that in most weeks, we are expected to tackle 2 to 3 standards. You'll notice in week 2 and week 3, we only have one item to cover. But the reason is that these assigned topics are actually quite long. So to be honest with you, our pace will be very fast and this will actually require a significant amount of cooperation on your part. As for my expectation, I want you to read the assigned topics in advance. You can actually download these standards in ifrs.org. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. You can make a free account in ifrs.org and you can download all the unaccompanied versions of the standards that we will be discussing this semester. However, in preparation for our pre-tests, oral recitations, and exams, we can actually just rely on the discussion in our textbook. Essentially, reading your textbooks should substantially be the same as actually reading the standards. But I'd still want you to download copies of the standards for your own personal files. Our textbook was designed so that it would be easier for students to actually read the standards. But because I want you all to aim for excellence, I want you to find time to actually read the actual standards after taking up this subject. But for this class alone, I am confident that the discussion in your textbooks would be sufficient. Again, it's really important that you will do your part because this is how we are going to conduct our class. You are given with the assigned topics already. You should read the discussion on those topics ahead of time from our textbook. Then I will give you a pre-test based on what you have understood in your readings. And after the pre-test, I will give you a discussion on the topics that are assigned. But the discussions will only work if you will read the textbook in advance. The purpose of the discussion would be just to highlight the important parts and to make sure that your understanding of the important provisions in the standards are correct and you do not develop misconceptions on what the standards actually mean. But the discussion should not replace your actual reading of the contents of the textbook. Our discussion would primarily be supplemental. You should take full responsibility on the extent and depth of your learnings from our class. So basically, our week will go like this. You are free what to do for our first meeting on every week, but you're expected to use that time to read in advance the discussion in the assigned topics for that week. And on the second meeting of the week, you will be asked to answer a pretest, and after the pretest, I should give you a discussion and give you an opportunity to raise your questions, areas or concepts that you found confusing as you were reading the discussions in the textbook. So you read in advance. We will check if you have actually read the assigned readings and make myself available for consultations for any question that you may have regarding the subject and the assigned topics.